Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Nidesha.
I'm Michael.
If this is your first time watching, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like right now. Isaiah is in the back. Hi. You say hi? Hi. So today, it's already like, it's almost noon. So we had an appointment this morning. You guys, we did our labor and delivery room tour this morning. I'm so excited. We didn't get to record too much. We weren't really allowed to. But I was able to get a little clip of our labor room that we would be in. Not exactly the same one, but what the labor rooms look like. We got a tour of the postpartum room. We got to see where the OR and the NICU would be over there. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to give birth. Everybody is so, like, they were just so happy there. I don't know. I don't know. It's just, I'm so excited. She made me feel real positive about being able to do a VBAC still, being able to do TOLAC, which is like trying to do a VBAC. She said, of course, like, if there is that, possibility, that risk, that we can do, like, there's the option to do the C-section and everything, Everything overall just sound very positive, and I'm super excited about that. We're at the beach now. We're about to go to the beach, take the boys to the beach again. This is Jeremiah's second time at the beach, so you guys are going to continue and watch that also. But I'm going to throw in the little clip of our labor room right here. This is the hospital room. Isn't it cute? So I love that in the labor room, there's no bed for him. And Michael was like, but what if you're in labor for hours? And I'm like, well, you're supposed to be helping me. That's what it is. I remember in Port St. Lucie, I was in labor for 35 hours, and my mom and Michael was sleeping on the couch while I'm laboring. No, that made me so angry. I was so upset about it, but there's no bed in there, so they can't sleep while I'm going through pain. Anyways, I love that. I love that for me. She did say that, of course, like, birth plans are welcome. They're actually, please, she said, please bring one, so that way they know exactly what we could do, and we can bring pretty much everything. We're just not allowed to burn anything in there, which I don't need to burn incense or sage or anything. She said if we do want smells, we can bring a diffuser, or like the lavender, that peaceful smell. My mom hates lavender though, so I'm probably still not gonna do that either way. But yeah, we're pulling up to the beach now, so we'll catch you guys when we get on the beach. Hi, Isaiah. Go down. Go, 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 go. Yay. Again? Look at the puppy. Yeah, your watermelon brother. Pizza. Isaiah playing in the sand. We enjoying the beach, huh?
Is it a bird?
Hey. And look at his other brother. Okay. Hey. Hey. What are you doing, Isaiah? This is sand. Isaiah! You say cheese! Look. Dark he got. Hey. Did you have fun? Okay. That's a wrap. You. Eat my salt and vinegar chips. Look at the baby. Alright guys, so we're headed home now. That's it for this video. Boys are already knocked out. So see you in the next one. Peace.